Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are going to do the third and final part for my Doomspire Brick Battle tournament. And these were all the original people. I know it's hard to see. Then these were the winners, and out of them, these are the final four people. If you haven't seen the first parts, check them out. Check out part 2, 1, and the preparation for the tournament that went into this in the description below. But in this video, we're going to see the winner out of these people. Who gets first, who gets second, who gets third. The two people that lose will do a battle for third place. So even if somebody loses the first match, they will still have a chance for third place and 100 Robux in the next match that they do, because the two losers will fight. Like I said in my previous parts, the first place will be getting 300 Robux, second place will be getting 200, third place will be getting 100 Robux. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server. Link in the description below, and let's get on to these battles now. what is up, guys? You just seen those two matches right there, and well, the next two matches are going to be both losers, and then the match after that is going to be both winners. The match you're about to see will be for 3rd place, and the match you will see after that will be the final match, and that will be for 1st and 2nd place. And then you will see I'll be paying them out the Robux. Winner gets 300 Robux, 2nd place gets 200, and 3rd gets 100 Robux. But yeah, guys, let's get on to the final 2 matches. Oh, and a side note, guys, I forgot to mention, but the next 2 battles, they will be best of 5 instead of best of 3, just to kind of prevent dying from, say, the bomb glitching or anything. But yeah, the next games will be best of 5. Alright, guys, you've seen Sex just win the 3rd place match, and let me show you guys right here. Sax suggested or asked me if I can give the money to his alt, so let's pay him now. Alright, guys, the battle you've all been waiting for, the battle for 1st place and 2nd place, the battle that cost me 500 Robux and multiple episodes to come to, the final battle where Atrexter and Luna are gonna fight. Let's do this. Alright guys, that concludes the video and the tournament. I hope you guys did enjoy. Hopefully you guys have seen the first few episodes. If you haven't, link are in the description. But yeah guys, this concludes the tournament, and I'm probably going to do more of these. This was really fun to do, and I would definitely do this again. That was 600 Robux that have been given away today, so yeah guys, if I ever do a tournament and you want to join in, let's do this. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Server in the description. Rip to that guy. Also, my fan groups and fan shirts. They're amazing. Check them out. Hope you guys did enjoy. That is everything, and peace.